Impact of interprofessional collaborative care on health disparities, roles of pharmacists in chronic disease management. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Interprofessional collaborative care models have shown significant promise in improving clinical outcomes and reducing health disparities in chronic disease management. This study examines the role of interprofessional teams, including pharmacists, and their impact on patient outcomes, health disparities, and economic efficiency. This retrospective observational study adhered to STROBE guidelines and analyzed data from a large healthcare institution serving diverse populations. Interprofessional interventions, including medication reconciliation, patient education, and care coordination, were evaluated for their effects on clinical, economic, and disparity-related outcomes. Collaborative interventions led to significant improvements in HbA1c levels, blood pressure control, and LDL cholesterol reduction. Disparities were notably reduced, with underserved populations experiencing the greatest clinical benefits. Economic analysis revealed cost savings associated with decreased hospitalizations and emergency department visits. Interprofessional care teams, particularly with pharmacist involvement, play a pivotal role in enhancing chronic disease outcomes, addressing health disparities, and achieving cost efficiency in healthcare delivery. Introduction. Health disparities, defined as variations in health status between populations, are one of the biggest problems in healthcare systems. Such differences are inclined to socioeconomic determinants, prejudices, and poor health equality, whereby vulnerable groups suffer the most. Ose et al., 2022. Diabetes, hypertension, and cardiovascular diseases are some of the most common chronic diseases in these population groups, meaning that poor health loops with inadequate healthcare access. Ellis et al., 2020. According to English, 2024, interprofessional collaborative care has assumed a new perspective in managing these disparities by trying to amalgamate the interprofessional team's knowledge, skills, and expertise. This model involves collaboration in diagnosing, treating, and preventing patients' various needs at the care facilities. Jung et al., 2024. Interprofessional care improves chronic illness management and provides patient-centered outcomes and equity due to a focus on values like teamwork, communication, and shared decision-making. Also, it contributes to maintaining economic sustainability since resources are not wasted and unnecessary healthcare expenses are avoided, proving the developed approach's appreciated applicability. Weiqi et al., 2020. Therefore, this research plan has the following objectives: to assess the effectiveness of interprofessional collaborative care teams on clinical outcomes, health inequalities, cost effectiveness in patients with chronic diseases, and to assess how pharmacists can help to improve patient outcomes. Conclusion. Interprofessional collaborative care has been established to be a robust model for dealing with complex issues across chronic illnesses. These teams bring together caregivers from different specialties. Hence, they can provide comprehensive care centered on the person and enhance the patient's healing rate, especially for those normally disadvantaged. Apart from improving HbA1c levels and blood pressure control, the interprofessional model has had a positive impact on mitigating health disparities occasioned by other factors like socioeconomic status, ethnicity, and access to care. Also, they show reasonable improvements in overall economic profits by avoiding hospitalization and emergency visit costs. Moreover, pharmacists engaged in collaborative practice across professional boundaries to enhance medication therapy management, promote medication adherence, and facilitate the goals of collaborative care teams in enhancing patient outcomes and decreasing health disparities. Collaborative care models not only reinvent how chronic illness is addressed but, as a scalable, Sustainable Model for Improving Equity in Healthcare clearly outline a path for future health delivery systems. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.